In today's video, we'll learn about what ChatGPT is and how OpenAI developed its groundbreaking chatbot. You'll learn about the many ways in which ChatGPT may be used and what sets it apart from the other AI-based chatbots in this introductory video. Whether you need a virtual assistant or a multi-purpose tool for productivity, ChatGPT can do it all. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible details, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's dive straight in. The buzz around ChatGPT, an AI-based chatbot system that employs natural language processing or NLP to generate dialogues, has been deafening unless for the past few weeks. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT lets you have conversations with a bot that responds with conversational, human-sounding responses to your inquiries or tales. Having an interface that feels familiar to human speech makes it easier to interact with the bot more organically. ChatGPT uses GPT 3.5, a language model trained to output text, and optimizes it for informal discussion using reinforcement learning with human feedback. Since ChatGPT was trained using vast quantities of human-generated data, its responses are astonishingly realistic. ChatGPT Explainer Video. To simply explain, see for example, we have Glenn, a skilled programmer who has his app ready, but he wants to launch a business that uses it to facilitate reservations and bookings between restaurants and their patrons. John struggled to build his startup team because he needed sales, marketing, programming, content production, and customer service specialists. As his financial restrictions tightened, it became more challenging for him to keep his staff small. He contacted his pal James, who suggested that he start his business with just one AI-based technology and no new hires. Seeing that Glenn was incredulous, James introduced him to ChatGPT, OpenAI's groundbreaking artificial intelligence chatbot. It is a cutting-edge neural network-based model for NLP, which processes textual input to provide meaningful responses. This means that the ChatGPT bot can answer questions without being told the answers, setting it apart from other AI conversation bots. How might online ChatGPT help Glenn put together his team? ChatGPT in sales. In sales, ChatGPT can generate full-fledged sales presentations depending on the appropriate prompts. It can also provide organizations with advice on pitching their products, eliminating the need for sales training. Furthermore, these pitches may be totally customized to your specifications and prompts. You can request specific adjustments and continue the conversation even if you don't like some aspects of the response. ChatGPT in marketing. Regarding marketing, GPT will ensure everything is taken care of for them. It is possible for ChatGPT to provide effective marketing strategies which can assist new business owners in learning how to market their products to potential customers. It is also possible for ChatGPT to provide trending keywords that marketers can use for search engine optimization purposes, in addition to providing ad copies for your website and blog. ChatGPT in programming. ChatGPT can produce code fragments in response to particular inputs. This can be used as a starting point for coding projects or to gain a deeper understanding of how a specific function or algorithm works. Users can submit a question specifying the desired code snippet, such as create a Python function to reverse a string or produce JavaScript code for a simple calculator. ChatGPT can help with proofreading the code and identifying errors to fix. In addition to providing minor bug fixes, it may also provide sample code structures for other programming languages, allowing programmers to focus more on increasing core functionality and process rather than repairing trivial code errors. ChatGPT in content creation. ChatGPT is a powerful resource that, with the proper care, may be incorporated into our own content brand awareness. ChatGPT can help you generate titles and other content ideas, which you can expand upon using user-generated material. Artificial intelligence can help improve the quality of the material by identifying and eliminating grammatical problems. ChatGPT can assist marketers in generating keyword suggestions for use in developing the content strategy for blogging and social media. ChatGPT can create captions and subtitles for video and audio content, making it more accessible to a larger audience. ChatGPT and customer support. For customer support, ChatGPT can generate entire emails for customer care based on the circumstances, saving time and resources. The tone of the message can be altered to suit the nature of the message, providing call center professionals with an efficient alternative. Glenn was stunned by the level of versatility of ChatGPT and wanted to adopt it immediately. But James made sure he was aware of the disadvantages of the ChatGPT before getting started. Limitations of ChatGPT. Given that the chatbot has been mostly trained on data through 2021, there may be numerous recent occurrences that have yet to be identified by ChatGPT. While it can solve some problems with a surprising level of realism, it can't answer questions as fundamental as what time is it now, due to its weak context awareness. Because the AI model is still being trained and refined, the accuracy of many responses can also be called into doubt. Some people think this breakthrough technology will entirely place Google search, but given the many problems users keep having with it, that day seems far off. Future of ChatGPT. How businesses communicate with their clients will change drastically in the near future thanks to chatbots. Chatbots are rapidly becoming an indispensable tool for businesses of all stripes in the modern digital era, where they can handle everything from fielding customer questions and providing instant support to making targeted product suggestions. ChatGPT will transform the future of healthcare as it continues its slow digital migration. The chatbot industry is predicted to grow from $448.5 million in 2021 to $4.2 billion in 2032. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning uses and effectiveness of the new AI chatbot, ChatGPT. Which of these features are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.